Hey, welcome to Player Mark, and today I have a brand new ukulele lesson for you, and it's the awesome new song by Taylor Swift and Brendon Urie from Panic at the Disco. Love Panic. And that's called Me. I'll be teaching you all like the intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, every bit that you need, like all the chords, strum pattern, everything, so you can play this awesome new song. Before we get started though, make sure you subscribe to Player Mark and hit that bell notification to be told of the next great ukulele upload. We've got loads of other great songs in the charts, or if you want something specific, make sure you become a Patreon supporter. I'll pin the link in the comments section below. So, before we get started, here is a quick snippet of what the song will sound like by the end of this lesson, what you'll be able to play. I'm the only one of me, baby, that's the fun of me. Oh, you're the only one of you, baby, that's the fun of you. And I promise that nobody's gonna love you like me. So, the chords that you're going to need are a C chord, an A minor, an F, and a G chord. Literally, those are the only 4 chords that you're going to need. It's just the way that we use those chords, and as a songwriter or like a player, you need to know how to make the songs most you need to know how to make these songs as interesting as you can with the very limited chords that you have. So anyway, so if you already know how to play those chords, then skip right ahead. If you want a quick reminder, then I'll be doing it right now. So, C chord is literally the easiest chord that you'll ever play on ukulele, and that is the 1st string, 3rd fret, and the rest of the strings open. And A minor, quite easy as well, but that's the 4th string, 2nd fret, and all of the other strings open. F chord, keep your finger where it is at the moment on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and get your 1st finger and put that on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and the 1st and 3rd strings open, so that's F. And a G chord is 1st string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, open on the 4th. So the song first begins with like, I promise that you never find no one like me. And that's just 1 stroke off the C. That's basically the introduction, it's just 1 C and that's it. Then we go straight into the verse. And the verse is C, A minor, F, G, and that's played like this. So that's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So with the lyrics of the intro and the verse, that's I promise that you'll never find no one like me. I know I'm a handful, baby, yeah. You're the same thing before I jump. You're the guy that all the girls want, and there's a lot of cool chicks out there. And there's a lot of cool chicks out there. Then we come to the pre-chorus, which is just just down, 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 to down, 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 to down, 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 to down, down, down. Or you could just do it as 1 stroke, say, one of these things is not like the other, like a rainbow with all of the covers. Baby doll, when I think about lovers, I promise that you never find no one like me. And then we go to the chorus. So that's one way you can do it, the shown down or the one of these things not like the others, like a rainbow with all of the colours. Baby doll, when we think about lovers, I promise that you never find no one like me. Then we go to the oh, that bit, like, you know, the chorus, which is basically the same kind of just down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. For the chorus, and that's basically just going all through it. That's just like really going for it. So basically, again, that's just C, A minor, F, G. That's just down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. C, do one stroke of C and then instantly mute it for the second time round. But I'll do it with the lyrics so you know exactly what you can expect. So, me he he, oh, oh, oh. I'm the only one of me, baby, that's the fun of me. Oh, oh, oh. You're the only one of you, baby, that's the fun of you. And I promise that nobody's gonna love you like me. Then we come into the second verse, exactly the same as the first, but with Brendon Urie. Love Brendon Urie, love Panic at the Disco, loads of other great Panic at the Disco songs from Pray for the Wicked, so definitely check them out if you like that, straight after this. But yeah, the second verse is pretty much exactly the same as the first verse that we played, and then the pre-chorus again, and the chorus exactly the same. And then we come to the bridge bit. It's like, hey, do you want to sing? The spell things awesome, me, I, there's no I, but that bit. What I would say for that is just do the down, 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 down bit. The same as we did as the pre-chorus. I mean, if you did just the one strum in the pre-chorus, definitely do the down, 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 down. I mean, it doesn't matter too much whether you get it wrong, because they're not really singing, they're just kind of talking. But that's pretty much the end of this lesson. If there's another Taylor Swift song that you want me to do, then definitely become a supporter on our Patreon. I'll give you a shout out and I'll do your special Taylor Swift. So really, pretty much any other song as well. Just like support us on Patreon and I'll do that for you. Remember, there's loads of other great Panic at the Disco songs we've already got up on Planet Mark for you to check out right now. Follow us on Twitter at PlanetMarkVlog or Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog. Subscribe, ring a bell notification so you'll be told of the next great ukulele upload. And we also have this song on guitar lesson as well if you're wanting to do it on guitar. So I'll see you next one, guys. Bye 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 bye.